The BILT HARD 4 cubic foot dump cart is designed with a robust poly bed that is resistant to rust, ensuring longevity and reliability for all your garden tasks. Equipped with 10-inch flat-free tires, the cart offers exceptional maneuverability and resilience, allowing you to easily traverse various terrains without worrying about punctures. With a remarkable capacity of 600 pounds, this garden cart can handle heavy materials, making it an ideal companion for both small and large gardening projects. The quick-release dump feature simplifies unloading, enabling you to effortlessly dispose of materials exactly where you need them in your outdoor space. Constructed with high-quality poly materials and an enhanced steel frame, the cart promises durability and smooth operation for consistent performance over time. BILT HARD provides a 1-year warranty with a commitment to quality customer service, ensuring peace of mind and support for any potential issues.